Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Passion of Ours. Today we will do 10 alternatives of because. The first one is since. Since ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ यूज कर सकते हैं? Example है since it's raining we decided to stay indoor. The another one is as. Example, I could not attend the meeting as I was feeling unwell. Next is due to. Example is due to ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ यूज कर सकते हैं? The fight was delayed due to bad weather. Owing to. Example है owing to his hard work he received a promotion. Another is thanks to. Example, thanks to your help I was able to complete the project on time. For in some cases. Example है I went to the store for some groceries. The another is seeing that. Example, seeing that it was getting late I decided to leave. In light of. In light of recent events, we have decided to make some changes. Given that he is an expert, we should trust his judgment. Considering the circumstances, we had no other choices.